Hey, Kane. You want to say something to the people if I got it out the soil? What you want to say to them? Welcome to I Got It Out the Soil. I know that's right. Welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil. And today I'm going to be cleaning up my garden. I'm going to be cleaning up some of the dead crops from the summer to make way for my fall crops to get in, my fall seedling. So let's get to it. Hopefully you guys won't hear the noise, but it wouldn't be I Got It Out the Soil if we ain't come with the noise, okay? So if you hear a lawnmower in the back, my neighbors are cutting their yard and they doing some yard work. So let's get to it. So I'm on the side of my garden here and I'm about to pull. These cantaloupes is growing back, but they not gonna make it. So I'm gonna pull. Let me set y'all up. I'm gonna pull them out. So I got one here. And hopefully you, okay, yeah, y'all can see that. So I'm just gonna take it like this and pull them out. And be sure not to disturb my marigolds over here. So I thought I'd just do a quick little clean up and pull some of these dead crops that's no longer growing. My tomatoes are, man, they are doing their thing, okay? Nothing is stopping them. They all the way up, baby. And here in zone 7A, it's been getting down to, I think the lowest it got down to was 47. And they still growing. See, they was trying to grow little cantaloupes. I just pulled that. Oh, these are strawberries. Okay, these my little strawberry seedling. Let me pluck a little bit of this grass that's just trying to grow here. You gotta weed as you go. So I'm gonna pull some of that. I have a cantaloupe here. So if y'all can see that, I got a cantaloupe. I'm about to pull. It's no longer. Pull it right out the soil, baby. Because you know here, we get it out the soil, okay? So, there we go. Look at it. That's how that look. I'm not gonna pull my marigolds over there, nor these tomatoes. As you can see, they are growing quite nicely. They have a lot of tomatoes on those, so I'm not gonna pull those. I'm gonna let my strawberries, these the runners, I'm gonna let them rock. And I am gonna plant some red and red cabbage and my seasonal cabbage over here. I'm planting about 1 or 2 over here to see how they grow. And that goes Kane to play with the dead cucumber leaves. So he's trying to sniff it out, see what's going on in his garden. So let's move over to the next spot that we're gonna clean up. And I'm gonna plant my other fall crops, some of them right here. I'm gonna pull this mat up. I took some of the red tomatoes off this. The tomatoes are just growing crazy, okay? I have another garden spider came over here, so I'm trying to watch out for him because I don't need him crawling on me, okay? And I gotta pick some more tomatoes, so I don't mind those. They look really, really good if I say so myself. Let me make sure he ain't over here because I'm scared. Oh, there you go. Y'all probably can't see them. Or can y'all? Can y'all see them? I don't want him to run. Because I got to pick these melons up out of here. Well, y'all probably can't see them. But anyway, I'm going to pull this melon that's right here under my marigold tree. Where is it? Where is she? Girl, at this point, I don't know. Where are you, marigold? I mean, not marigold. Where are you, cantaloupe? You y'all rocking? Hold on, let me get over here. Come on, Walls. Come on. I'm gonna knock me on my head. Okay, I'm trying to keep it cap. Where is the dude? Okay, we losing the we losing. Okay, I don't know where my where I planted these melons at. Hold on, let me evaluate the situation. And I can't even see into the camera at this point in time. Is this it? Okay, here we go. So that's the root. And these things are not going to make it, so I don't care. I'm going to pull them. So I'm just going to pull her right on out. Look how long her root is, y'all. So she gone. And I'm going to have my guy come out here and move this spider, because I'm not pulling out that other cantaloupe with that big old spider right there. I'm so sorry. I am scared of spiders. Call me a wussy. Because I'm not pulling that other one out. He got to come out here. So this is just a halfway done cleaning out my garden bed, because no ma'am. But I got a big space over here where I can plant. Oh yeah, look at my peppers. They are finally turning red. I may just pick them. I got some Can y'all see that? Can y'all see her? Oh, there you go. She red, honey. She said she trying to hurry up and turn. See that? Got a few red, turning red peppers. I'm gonna let them go all the way red. And I'm gonna have to get out here and pick these tomatoes. But I haven't came out here to pick the tomatoes, and so many they've been pushing out. That spider is over there, so I'm not going to pick these luscious red tomatoes. I guess I can pick some until that spider get moved. And he was moved the other day, and he came back. So that's it for this video, y'all. So let me go over here and get to talking. So hopefully y'all can see me good. So that is the end of this video of me semi cleaning out my garden bed to get ready for my fall crops. Also, on the long side of my deck, it's already prepped. And on the other side of my deck, I just removed the cantaloupe and the old cucumber plant. So that's it for this video. I would like to thank you for I hope that you are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out. Comment down below what you would like to see on this channel. That do help me out a lot to come up with some ideas. So if y'all will comment down below, I do talk back, so go ahead and comment. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, share my videos with your family and friends, because sharing is caring and it is free. Okay, what else I wanted to say? Oh, always remember to get it out the soil no matter what, because the seed you plant and water today will produce tomorrow. Okay, and that's in life. Take that with you in life. That's why I always say, get it out the soil no matter what, because your manifestations going to come true even if you believe in that or not. You are manifesting as we speak.
Okay, so always get out the soil. Always think positive. Always try to raise your vibration and try to live up to your highest potential and continue to get it out the soil. So until next time, peace. I'll see you in my next video. And this melanin is popping, y'all. All right, enough of that. Peace.